शान है बेबी, हमारे आप की जान है बेबी, आज है मौका पकड़।
Thank you.
We would like to call a Saffron baby. She has been singing a lot of time with us and she has sung so many good songs for all of us. So today also we asked her to sing a very nice song for all the audience.
Wishing all the best to all who are standing in a turning point of their lives. This is Bavaraman.
Music turns our heart, and when there is a sound of a flute, you know the aroma is all around. We'd like to call Lokesh.
My all teachers who taught us and the seniors who gave us the guidance. Whatever I have learned, it is learned because of my senior support and friend encouragement. And I would like to
respected director sir, all faculty members, my seniors, juniors, and all my classmates. Good evening to all of you. Firstly, I thanks to all of you because everyone helped me in 2 years experience. Okay. In most crucial period of my life when I fall from the stairs and I got fractured. Because उस टाइम ना मैं चल पाती थी, ना उठ सकती थी, ना बैठ पाती थी, इवन मैं करवट भी नहीं बदल पाती थी। तो मतलब मेरे दोस्त लोग मुझे हेल्प करते थे एक साइड से उठा के दूसरी साइड करवट बदलने के लिए, तो सबने उस टाइम मेरी बहुत हेल्प की है। ये मेरा एक एक्सपीरियंस रहा है IIPS में। कभी मुझे किसी ने ये फील नहीं होने दिया कि मैं मतलब ठीक नहीं हूँ, बीमार हूँ, चल नहीं सकती हूँ, बैठ नहीं सकती हूँ। सब श्रीजा, काजोड़ी, मेलोडी, स्वस्तिका, छवि, पीयूष, विवेक, जाहिद, अजीत, मोध्वज, सब ने बहुत मेरी हेल्प की है उस टाइम। एक्चुअली ये लोग हमेशा सुबह क्लास जाने से पहले मेरे पास मुझे मिलने आएंगे, हाँ हम लोग क्लास जा रहे हैं, इवन ये भी पूछते थे कि कैसे लग रहे हैं देखने में। तो एकदम से मुझे कभी फील नहीं हुआ कि मैं बीमार हूँ। और क्लास से आएंगे तो आने से पहले मोस्टली सब स्टूडेंट मेस में खाना खाने के लिए जाते हैं और ये सबसे पहले मुझसे मिलने आते थे कि आज क्लास में ऐसे हुआ, आज क्लास में वैसे हुआ, ये हुआ, वो हुआ। तो ये सब मुझे कभी फील नहीं होने दिया कि मैं ठीक नहीं हूँ या मैं क्लास नहीं जा रही हूँ। ये सब मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा कि सबने मेरी बहुत हेल्प की है। सब सीनियर्स ने मेरी बहुत हेल्प की है, स्पेशली कौशलेंद्र भैया, राजन भैया, मयंक भैया, अमित भैया और अभिषेक भैया, सब ने बहुत हेल्प की है उस टाइम। तो मैं सबको थैंक्स बोलना चाहती हूँ। स्पेशली थैंक्स फॉर डायरेक्टर सर, मोहंती सर। ये बहुत बिजी होने के कारण भी मुझसे मिलने आए, मुझे देखने आए, मुझे हेल्प किया। मुझे कभी महसूस नहीं हुआ कि मैं अपने घर में नहीं हूँ, अपने परिवार के साथ नहीं हूँ। मुझे हमेशा यही लगा कि मतलब मैं अपनी फैमिली में हूँ, सबके साथ हूँ। बट जब मेरा 3rd सेमेस्टर का एग्ज़ाम था उस टाइम मुझे फील हुआ कि हाँ मैं ठीक नहीं हूँ। जब गवर्नमेंट का क्वेश्चन पेपर मिला तो लगा कि सब क्वेश्चन बहुत ईजी है, बट मैं बैठ नहीं पाती थी सही से, तो मतलब हार्डली 3 क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट कर पाती थी। ये सब थोड़ा क्रिटिकल कंडीशन था मेरे लिए, बाकी तो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस IIPS में बहुत अच्छा रहा। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीवन।
With this is sharing experience at IIPS. Now I would like to invite Ajit Kumar Yadav. Please come.
एक ही नाम के 4-4
तो अजीत जी आप क्या करना चाहेंगे?
एक ही नाम के 4-4 लोग हैं।
जैसा कि यहाँ पे जब कवि सम्मेलन हुआ था तो डायरेक्टर सर बोले थे कि मुझे कविता में जनसंख्या नज़र नहीं आती है, तो जो मेरी कविता है वो इस इंस्टीट्यूट के ऊपर ही है। अपने आप में है विशाल हमारा ये जनसंख्या संस्थान, अपने आप में है विशाल हमारा ये जनसंख्या संस्थान। विद्यार्थियों को देता है ज्ञान, अध्यापकों का बढ़ाता है सम्मान। ऊंच नीच और जाति पाति का यहाँ कोई नहीं है मान, दिन प्रतिदिन हो रहा है इसका उत्थान। महिला पुरुष का सर्वेक्षण कराने की है ये खान, NFHS और DLHS से बनता है बड़ा बड़ा प्लान। अध्यापक हो या छात्र सब न्यौछावर करते हैं इसके लिए अपना प्राण। आने वाले समय में लाएगा ज्ञान का तूफान, यहाँ के लोगों को संस्थान पे है अभिमान। निदेशक महोदय तो रखते हैं सबका ध्यान, इसीलिए तो विश्व भर में है इसका नाम। भारत वर्ष में है मात्र ही एक जनसंख्या संस्थान। बड़े बड़े सम्मेलनों में भाग लेते हैं यहाँ के विद्वान, देसी ही नहीं विदेशी भी करते हैं इसका गुणगान। अपने आप में है विशाल हमारा ये जनसंख्या संस्थान।
I'd like to call Raju Sarkar to come and sing a song for us. Please, Raju.
जब से तेरे नैना सबसे दीवाना हुआ, सबसे बेगाना हुआ, रब भी दीवाना
Very good evening to all of you. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all the passing out students, and I hope all of you had a good time in IAPS. And this passing experience has been very enjoyable for the teachers as well. The good thing about the director dinners is that now with the growing number of students, sometimes we are not able to see all the students together in one place. Otherwise, in the past, when we used to have only few courses, it was an everyday occasion to see all the students together. So these directors dinners for the passing out students, and of course for all the students and all the faculty here, is good in the sense that it brings all of us together. And the second thing, good thing about this gathering is that you will have the occasion to have a good food together. So I wish all of you a very bright future ahead.
Thank you, sir. IIPS has, in this 1 year, has seen so many new faculties. So I would like to call Ms. Archana ma'am to come and say something about. No, ma'am, I just address the news with the passing out students. You're new to us, so.
Good evening, everybody. So it's really a very memorable moment for me, because the last memory which exists with me is when I was having the passing out dinner, director's dinner. So thank you very much for calling me here, and I wish all the passing out students to have a very bright future wherever you go. You do the best you have, and keep our jhanda uncha always. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Any faculty want to sing, sir? Please come.
Our Director, Professor Ram, my dear colleagues and students, good evening to all of you. We realize the importance of this dinner, which is traditionally known as farewell dinner from Director of the Institute. A meaning of that farewell dinner was slightly different about 20 years back, when Institute had a centralized diploma program sponsored by UNFPA, and we realized that, we recall that many students used to call their parents just before convocation. Even UNFPA Delhi office, 1 or 2 persons used to come here, and we used to use this opportunity before dinner, the interaction, that what are the potential areas for improvements for the next academic session. We used to discuss even that also. But now when that centralized program is not here, most of us are Indian students, our courses has gone up, 2-3 new courses has added, number of students has gone up, but one feature is there. Only those who are completing PhD, awarded PhD in the convocation, they are the real outgoer students. Because MPS in MPhil, MPhil in PhD, MMSc in MPhil, again in PhD, and those who are coming out from this, some of them are, that is why it's virtually becomes a vicious circle, at least for a few more years. But still, those who are going out, or those who are graduating from different courses, definitely it's a good opportunity for them, and we put our hearty congratulations to them and expect a very bright future, which we are confident that will be. There is no second thought about that. All of you will be having a bright future. We are very confident about that. With this, I would like to thank you once again.
sir. Thank you so much. Now I would like to invite TV Sekhar sir. Please come.
First, let me congratulate all the passing out students. Wishing you all the best in your professional and personal life. I really liked Mukesh in the beginning described the challenges of life, and Safrin mentioned that most of you are in the turning point in your life. And some of you are thinking about whether to continue the study or take up a job. Many of you will be thinking that whether to continue here or join somewhere else. It's really a turning point with regard to your future life, education, all that, personal life. So I'm sure you will be able to take the right decision and move ahead with the life. Because in the life, as Mukesh rightly mentioned in his write-up, that there is no chance for a re-examination. So you have to be well prepared to go ahead with the life. I remember long back, one of my teachers told me, life is more strict than a teacher. Life is more strict than a teacher. Teacher teach you a lesson and takes an exam, but life takes an exam and teach you a lesson. So be prepared and go ahead. All the best. Thank you.
It's a pleasure to hear our faculties. Murthy sir wants to say something. It's always good to hear our teachers and have their experiences.
So friends, good evening. Generally I don't prefer to just talk in public. It's my second or third time for me. This year especially very, I can say, new life I got in my life. First of all, I would like to congratulate all those graduating students. All the best. And thing is that 9th is my favorite day. This year suddenly something happened. I felt that I am finished. But I realized that the moment I saw all of you with me, I realized that, oh, there is something great. So I felt that I have new life. Really, it is my 60th year. Really, people have given me very, I think, new thinking about myself. And I felt family means only 4 persons. But now I realize the family means we have all with us. You know? So I was very much excited, and I thank each and every one of you. And especially I like to thank our directors because last 4 or 5 years I'm really enjoying my life. It has given me a good chance to think that life is there for you by making me coordinator for the second time and giving opportunity some projects and all. It makes me to see that this is what you are. You have to realize yourself. So I thank the director and every faculty member and all the students who are with me, and I wish all the students all the best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Now, Manas Pradhan sir want to say anything. Please, sir.
Okay, I don't know why Mukesh called me. I was not interested to come here. Anyway, good evening everybody. On this occasion, I can only say good luck, best wishes to all the graduating students, and I am quite hopeful that most of you will be there in IIPS in higher degrees and diplomas. So good luck again and good evening. Enjoy the food. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir. Any faculty? Okay, with this, Ravi Soren will sing a song for us. Ravi Soren, please come.
मेरी सांसों में बसा है तेरा ही एक नाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम। मेरी सांसों में बसा है तेरा ही एक नाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम। तू मेरे दिन में रातों में, खामोशी में बातों में, बादल के हाथों में भेजूं तुझको ये पैगाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम। तस्वीर है जैसे तू मेरी, तकदीर है जैसे उस दिल से इस दिल तक आती धड़कन की जंजीर है जैसे। आँखों में तस्वीर है जैसे तू मेरी, तकदीर है जैसे उस दिल से इस दिल तक आती धड़कन की जंजीर है जैसे। खाबों खाबों तू मिले न जाने क्या है सिलसिले, पलकों पर ये प्यार के न जाने कितने गुल खिले, तेरे ख्वाब सजाते रहना अब है मेरा काम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम। मेरी सांसों में बसा है तेरा ही एक नाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम। हो की नमी है, रंगों की महफिल सी जमी है, मौसम भी मंजर भी मैं भी, कहते हैं बस तेरी कमी है। फूलों पर शबनम की नमी है, रंगों की महफिल सी जमी है, मौसम भी मंजर भी मैं भी, कहते हैं बस तेरी कमी है। बागों में हम जो मिले तो गए सारी कोयलें, महके सारा ये समा हवाएं महकी सी चले, तेरी खुशबू से भर जाए गलियों के ये जाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम, मेरी सांस में बसा है तेरा ही एक नाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम, तेरी याद हम सफर सुबह शाम, तू मेरे दिन में रात में, खामोशी में बात में, बादल के हाथों में भेजूं तुझको ये प्यार।
Thank you, Ravi. I would like to ask any student if want to share something. He's invited. Okay.
Thank you मैम। ये स्वानंद किरकिरे का एक गाना है, मतलब विमेन के ऊपर, तो वो मैं गाना चाहूँगा। ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया, अंगना में फिर आ जा रे, ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया, अंगना में फिर आ जा रे, अंधियारा है घना और लहू से सना, सागर के तिनके अंबर से चुन के, अंगना में फिर आ जा रे, ओरी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया, अंगना में फिर आ जा रे, हमने तुझ पे हजारों सितम है किए, हमने तुझ पे जहाँ भर के जुल्म किए, हमने सोचा नहीं तू जो उड़ जाएगी, तेरे बिन ये ज़मीं सूनी रह जाएगी, तेरे बिन ये सजेगा मेरा अंगना, उड़ी चिड़ैया नन्ही सी चिड़िया, अंगना में फिर आ जा रे, ओरी चिड़ैया। थैंक यू। I would like to thank Mukesh and Arpita for giving me this opportunity to speak. What I will share is my experience over a period of 2 years in MPhil and MPhil, and what are my some observation about the institute and people in general here.
First of all, I am grateful to all teachers and faculty members for enlightening me on some issues which I was not aware. And coming to my classmates, during my MPS days, most of the time I used to be absent from class. But still they always were courteous, and their unconditional love and support in completing assignments. Most of the time, I acknowledge that I copied most of the assignments. But we had a lot of difference of opinion, but they never fought with me, even though I actually use some foul type of language while speaking to people. That is one of my drawbacks, and I'm really grateful to Chandrasekhar sir for being patient with me and always life was, I won't say that life was very difficult on the campus. Life is quite chill, and only a few comments I have about the institute. If director sir will allow me, I would like to share. Sir, with your permission. Yes, sir. First comment I find is that the PhD presentation that we do and students are asked to attend it compulsory, that is really draconian. Because what happens it really restricts your freedom to express your views. At the same time, it restricts your freedom to not to listen to some views which you don't believe in. See, if somebody is working on infant mortality, how do you expect him to understand a topic like urbanization and give some comments for their thesis? And it is really sad that people come just for attendance and put their attendance, and I don't understand why we live this hypocritic state. That is one observation I have. When I was in Gokhale Institute, the discrimination was based on economic lines. But when I came to IIPS, I don't believe in cultural ethos of India or whatever you may say, because I believe in God, but not in following rituals and all those things. And one point of discrimination that I found here is that if you don't follow particular culture, you are automatically excluded. If somebody, everybody may differ in their opinion, but this is my personal view, not to harm anybody. Another thing is I find that is in regard to fellowship of students. There has to be some efficiency or deadline in giving fellowship, because we are not able to plan anything, and my secretaries are always behind us to get that bill, and it feels like as if, I don't know, but I think there should be deadline for giving fellowships. That efficiency should be improved. And lastly, when I was giving my MPS term paper, I know that person is here, Praveen. When I said I want to prepare for civil services, he said I will give you 10,000 rupees if you go to Delhi. That was one of the most generous incidents I have seen ever in my life. And I'm really grateful to all people, especially to my classmates, for all their help, love and support, and to my teachers for their guidance. And sometimes my views may have been radical in regard to mess audit or in regard to privatization of mess. GS may be knowing because we had some issues. But I believe in changes, and changes, if we can get better efficiency, change should be there. This is what my personal faith is. And thank you everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Milind. Thank you so much for giving all the information. I would like to invite Director Sir.
Here, that means dinner is ready. So I can invite you all for dinner on behalf of IIPS. Though we call it as a dinner, director dinner, but it is on behalf of all IIPS faculty and staff. Like all others, I also like to wish you all the best. And I believe that, if I have done anything with honesty and I have put up my best efforts, I need not bother about what I get as a result. It is always, I think, very, very advantageous, probably maybe long run. Today you may feel that I have won, but maybe after some times you may feel or you may get what you have done with honesty and you have put your best efforts. So I think with that only we should move forward. Otherwise all these teachers and classes and results, everything will be there, and we will keep discussing. You, I think, are in better position because you will move forward up. But for us, when July comes again, we start with fertility, mortality, crude birth rate, and it's again going through the same cycle for the teacher, probably, and sometimes we may feel some change, innovation, but again, I know that we meet the student, again, class, crude birth rate, crude death rate, which one is more crude? And I feel I am more crude actually than asking all these things. So that cycle continues with us, and we feel very happy that we are giving something to new group of students. Second thing, I also feel that class is one thing, but what we really remember, today if you ask me what I remember in 1977, I was a student here. And I think that will happen with everyone. Earlier also I had mentioned, probably Abdul Kalam says, what really you remember, and what makes you laugh, I think, is the best part of this whole life. And probably Abdul Kalam says, missing the class, I think, is the best part. And we really laugh when we miss the class. And that's why I said that when you think backward and whatever makes me laugh, I think that is the best part of my life during this whole IIPS. As someone says that, I copy all the assignments. I think you all should know, teacher also know you have copied all the assignments. It's nothing new, because when we were a student, we were also copying the assignments. At least I have copied all the assignments. Because that time we used to do with facet machine. Facet machine was there, and not like you have now advantage of computer, and even you can Google search, put small n, capital N, and you get t-test without calculation. So why to have assignment? So we know, if you are really thinking teacher doesn't know that you are copying the assignment, I think you are fooling yourself. So we know very well that all students copy, but we need to show, no, I am not seeing what you are doing. So please, we need to motivate you, do yourself. So at the end, I think that's the best part. And as I said, I remember 77 only, laugh thinking what I did that time. Stealing the curds from mess. Because curd is always, that time I don't know now, very less curd we used to get. So we used to steal in the night, keep somewhere so that we can eat. later on. So that makes me laugh. Or makes, certain class I feel really makes me laugh. I must say, I don't know if I have told you earlier also, but I remember Professor Saxena was teaching us about urbanization and crowding in cities. You have density this much, 10,000, 15,000 density. When all come on the road, what will happen? I don't know, that time I started laughing, and Dr. Saxena was very strict sometimes, I think. So, why are you laughing? I said, sir, in front of every floor, you make a road, so that every floor has a road, and everybody comes only on that road. Why they should come on the same road at the ground? No, you are what you are talking about. That makes me still laugh, I think. Today also when I keep thinking, laugh, or fighting with the teacher because I got less marks in some subject. So I fight with the teacher. You have given me less marks. Teachers say, no, I cannot increase. This is what you are supposed to get. So all this, I think, in life teaches, like T.V. Sekhar says that you have every moment, every steps, you have exam, and that teach you a lesson. So with that, I feel that we continue our journey. Don't bother about ranking in life, because that will be always there. I believe that, all cannot be at number one. So there has to be ranking, there will be ranking, but we should move forward, take everything in positive way, and I think this is what best I can do, and I will move with this, and I think I will be successful in my life. So wish you all the best again, and now I think I invite you all for dinner, IIPS dinner. I will not say farewell because I want to see you all here again after July. Thank you very much.
With this, we close the ceremony and invite you to eat. Thank you so much.
वेदांत का
उशीर झाला